The qualitative analysis of interference. Then we discussed in previous video in part 6 the continuation for the part 6 part. Next we have that I naught is equal to Ka square, and as well as means the intensity of individual wave, that is K is equal to A square is we know that I is proportional to A square, means the intensity of the wave is directly proportional to the square of its amplitude. From that relation, for a individual wave I naught is equal to Ka square. For resultant wave, for a resultant wave I is equal to Kr square. But we know that from the after interference the resultant wave equation, that from that real equation the resultant R is equal to resultant amplitude R is equal to 2a cos pi by 2, 2a cos pi by 2. From this relation I is equal to K R square, means we have the 2a cos pi by 2. So directly I am writing that 4a square cos square pi by 2, 4a square cos square pi by 2. From this I is equal to Ka square 4 Ka square cos square pi by 2. From this equation we can write that, but we know that Ka square is equal to I naught. From that relation I is equal to 4 I naught cos square pi by 2. This is the expression for an resultant intensity when the two waves are interfere at a point due to a superposition of waves which is having the phase difference of pi, means I is equal to this expression represents, this expression is the resultant intensity of two waves due to two waves at a point due to superposition of waves because of superposition of waves have phase difference pi. So from that case, by using this equation we can find out that the conditions to form the dark band and bright band. So now we are going to discuss about condition for bright band or we can say bright region also, bright band or bright region. So for the bright band we can write that I is equal to the resultant intensity from the equation I is equal to 4 I naught, where cos square pi by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1. Cos square pi by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1. Means here that the I is equal to 4 I naught, where cos square pi by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1, then only the black bands will form. Means here that we can write that cos square pi by 2 means pi by 2 is equal to n pi, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. If we substitute the 0, then we can get that phase difference is 0. Means either we know that to form a constructive wherever doing the constructive interference when the two waves reach to a point of phase difference even multiple of pi, means the two wave when the two waves reach a point have phase difference even multiple of pi, even multiple of pi, and they interfere constructively. To interfere means constructively and form bright band. Means this is the condition for whenever the pi is equal to 2n pi, means whenever the 2 taken this side, then pi is equal to 2n pi we can get, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. For this relation we can write that from the relation phase difference and path difference. From the relation phase difference and path difference. Phase difference and path difference, we can write that delta pi, which is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x, be the relation between the phase difference and path difference. We have the equation for pi is equal to 2n pi. This is the phase difference. If we substitute the n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, whenever we substitute 0, then we can get total term 0, and 1 means pi, then whenever 2 pi, then 2, if we substitute the 4 pi means that is even multiple of pi. Whenever even multiple of pi will happen, then the constructive interference occurs, then the bright band is formed. So in that case of which is having that the pi is equal to 2n pi, means delta pi is equal to 2n pi by lambda into delta x, means the phase difference will be even multiple of pi. Then the path difference will be, if we substitute 2n pi, that is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x, that is equal to, we can get that when the 2n pi means pi, the phase difference cancel, the two same terms will be there. Then whenever delta x is equal to, when the lambda is taken to the side, then 2n into lambda, the 2 is becomes, whenever taken this side, then it will becomes denominator, so that's why 2n into lambda by 2, means here is also the path difference will be the even multiple of lambda by 2. Even multiple of path difference will be means when two waves reach a point, here is also n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, reach a point of path difference even multiple of lambda by 2, and interfere constructively, and form bright band, Here is that when the even multiple of lambda by 2, then only that constructive interference will be occurs, then the bright band is formed. So that's why we can say that is the lambda by 2. This is the path difference, and this will be the phase difference. This is pi is equal to 2n pi be the phase difference, and lambda x is equal to 2n into lambda by 2 be the path difference. In this case of only the bright bands can be formed. Due to that, this is about a condition for bright band, and also we can say that this is about a condition for bright band, and next for condition for dark band. Dark band or a dark region. We can say dark band or dark region. Same as we can say that for dark band. For dark band, we can write that I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0 happens whenever the cos square pi by 2 which is equal to 0. Cos square pi by 2 which is equal to 0. Then whenever it is happens, then pi by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so on. up to so on. Here the phase difference when the two waves are reached at a point, two waves are reached at a point and its phase difference will be odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of means whenever we substitute 0, then we can get 1 will be the odd number. Then if we substitute 2, this 1, then we can get the 3 pi by 2, and if we substitute 2, 5 pi by 2 means we even odd multiple of pi by 2, the phase difference will be odd multiple of pi by 2. So that's why the phase difference is a odd multiple of pi by 2. So in that case of we are writing that from relation we can write that here, that we can write that the phase relation between phase difference and path difference, that is delta pi, which is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. From this relation we know that the pi by pi is equal to, we can get that 2n plus 1 into pi. So from that relation also we can write that whenever we substitute the equation, then we can get that the odd multiple of, in this relation also we can write that here pi by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, or this relation also can be written as a pi is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi, means whenever we cancel the by 2, then we can get the same relation. In this case also odd multiple of pi also we can write that. For the pi by 2 case of this one, and phase difference will be pi, so that's why pi is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi, so that's why phase difference is odd number of pi. Then from the relation we can write that by substituting this one, then 2n plus 1 into pi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. When we can write that the pi get cancelled, from the relation we can write that is equal to delta x is equal to this 2 by lambda taken to this side, that will becomes lambda by 2. So that's why 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. In this case we can write that the path difference is a odd multiple of, here is also where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so on, odd multiple of lambda by 2, odd multiple of lambda by 2, odd multiple of lambda by 2 we can get from the relation. This is about the dark bands, means condition for the dark bands. There's once again, this is for intensity, resultant intensity wave, that I is equal to 4I naught cos square pi by 2. For the conditions, by using that equation, for the conditions to form a constructive, by the constructive interference the bright bands are formed, and due to the destructive interference then the dark bands are formed. So here it is that the condition for bright band means whenever the intensity of resultant wave I is equal to 4I naught, then the bright bands are formed, means when the cos square pi by 2, the phase angle will be even, means plus or minus 1, that is pi by 2 is equal to, we can get that n pi, because of plus 1 if we substitute 1, this 180 degrees, 0 means 0 is also, we can get that it must be constant, means the constant bright band must be intensity is more. So that's why we can say that when the two waves reach at a point with a phase difference of even multiple of pi, so that's why even multiple means 2 is the even number, and 0, 1, 2, 3 whenever we substitute we can get the even numbers only. So pi is equal to 2n pi be the equation to form a bright band which is having its phase difference. Then from the relation between the phase difference and path difference, delta pi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x, that is the relation 2n pi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x, means by the calculation we are substituting this, the delta pi means the phase difference pi is equal to 2n pi, so that's why we are substituting 2n pi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. By the equation delta x then is equal to, whenever 2 pi lambda is taken to this side, this will become to lambda by 2. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So here it is the delta x is equal to 2n by lambda by 2. This is called as the phase when the two waves meet at a point with the path difference of even multiple of lambda by 2. Even multiple of lambda by 2 and interfere constructively and bright bands produced. Then condition for the dark band also we can write that whenever the intensity will be 0, then only the dark bands will be formed. When the light intensity is 0, then only the dark bands will be formed, we know that. In case of I is equal to 0, there must be the phase difference cos square pi by 2 is equal to must be 0. When it will happen 0, whenever the odd numbers are multiple of pi, then only we can get that 0. So that's why pi by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. We know that cos 90 is equal to 0. So that's why we are getting that it is whenever we substitute 0, then it will becomes 1 pi by 2 means 90 degrees. Pi by 2 radians means 90 degrees. Whenever this, if we substitute 2 get cancelled, then we can get that pi is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. This is the phase difference. This is the phase difference. Whenever the 2 points meet at a point and it's odd multiple of pi. Odd multiple of pi, and they interfere destructively. They interfere destructively and dark bands produced. From the relation delta pi is equal to 2a pi by lambda to delta x means the relation between the path difference and phase difference. From this relation we can substitute this equation. Then from the calculation, then 2 by lambda taken to this side, then lambda by 2 will be formed. Means when the two waves are formed, meet at a point, reach at a point with the path difference of odd multiple of lambda by 2. Path difference odd multiple of lambda by 2, and they interfere destructively and dark band produced. So this is about the conditions to form dark bands and bright bands when the light is passing.